Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to plant my veggies, tomatoes, aubergines and cucumbers in my container garden in front of my house, in my tiny garden, and we will build a cucumber trellis, so keep watching. In this container I decided, because it's quite tall, I decided to put these lovely tomato called marigold, which is actually, I didn't realize this is supposed to be for hanging basket tomato, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to plant it right at the edge of this pot together with my peppers. I'll have because I'm pretty sure this is a determinate tomato, I'll plant it right on the edge and he can trail over the edge of the pot. Now usually you would plant your tomatoes as deep as possible because they create roots on the stem, but because this is a determinate tomato, you don't want to do that, because look at that root system. He's already creating flowers right here, and we have suffered some damage because my kitten decided to play around with my tomato. Oh well. I'm going to plant it right here. Oh, it's gonna be pretty. And just in case if it needs a little bit of staking, I'll give it some support. And that's it. I'll pop the tag in. Next to be planted is my aubergine plant. I think this is I'm pretty sure this is a small growing variety, because he's supposed to be getting only 40 to 50 centimeter tall. It's going to have these tiny aubergines. So I decided to plant this in this container, as I have some arugula planted in here, some pellets of chicken manure just to enrich the soil. Here you go, my aubergine plant. Wait, the tag over here. Now in this container I'm going to plant a tomato, and I'm removing a little bit of the soil. We have some salvia over here, and we have quite a bit of parsley growing right around. I had some spare seeds, so I decided to seed around, but I think it's going to be just perfect as a companion, the parsley as a companion planting. I'm going to add some chicken manure pellets because my tomatoes are a bit heavy feeders. Oh, look at those roots. She's so gorgeous. Look at that. So I'm going to be planted right underneath. I made the hole that deep because tomatoes, you see fuzziness on the stem, they can develop from the stems quite a bit of root system. And the variety of the tomato, it is Gardener's Delight. It's supposed to be like loads of tiny tomatoes. Okay. The next tomato that I'm going to be planting is Moneymaker tomato, and he'll be going in this raised bed right here. along with my strawberry plants. Moving on, I have some beans over there, which they are a little bit, they didn't enjoy the cold last night, as I see. They are a little bit not presenting too nice, but I hope they weren't too affected. Okay, I'm done. I will be sticking the bamboo stick right near it. And oh, by the way, I haven't showed you what tomato it is. This is a beef steak super Marmande. I hope I'm correct. These are the details. I never tried this before, so I hope it's good. Good to try some new things. Now I am going to be potting my cucumbers. We have the variety, Telegraph, improved. It looks lovely. This is a new variety for me. Okay. Once again, I'm making a considerable hole. On the stem, we have some root forming, like root knobs. So I'm going to be planting until here. Let's see the roots. They're lovely. Okay. It's called Carmen. Okay. Like this. And he looks lovely. These, which is really nice. I tried this before. Tasty green cucumber. Oh, the tags are very mucky. Okay, now we are going to be starting with the fun part. I'm going to use these bamboo sticks, which are quite long. I'll show you in a minute, and try to press them as deep in the soil as I can. I'll be using 4 of them. And now I'm going to be using this thread and this machine to make holes in each of these bamboo sticks and try to thread this thread around to be able to have support for the cucumbers to grow. Oh, this was nice. Not even bad. That's not bad. Okay, next one. This is fun. Okay. I'll be repeating the same steps all around. Now, what I did, I created these holes, you can see, all up until the middle of the trellis, so I can thread this specific Let me see if I can. I hope the holes are big enough so I can create a lovely let's see. No, let's see. Oh goodness. Okay, finally figured out what to do. I miraculously found the needle like this. So as much as I try to insert it with this end, it just wouldn't come out on the other side. So I find myself a needle, and what I'm doing, I'm just poking it through the other side. Okay, oh, here you go. Okay, now I'm about to thread it all around. This is fun. I'll just keep threading. I'm not cutting the thread just to see how. Great. It's threaded on the upper level. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this worked. Wow. Like this. So the cucumbers can grab onto the thread easily. I'm going to do this. Now, after all that threading, I came with the other end back to the beginning and tied them right here. Oh. And we are done. My wood chip mulch has arrived, so I decided to top my soil to prevent the cats scratching up and disturbing the soil. And I decided to top my cucumbers and my lovely trellis. I'm trying to not flash my neighbor, but this is quite tall. And in the end, I decided to give up my daffodil foliage and mulch my tomato and strawberry bed, just to prevent the berries to get dirty. And also, I decided that I'll have my daffodils treated as an annual. And I think next year in the spring I might pop some tulips in here and again treat them like annuals, because like I can't deal with the messiness of those daffodils and tulips foliage. But I mulch everything. The peppers, I decided to mulch a little bit this bed just to keep the humidity in, with this lovely puppy. She's going to be gorgeous. Oh yes, so that's it for today. Oh, wait a minute, I'm trying to not, and I mulch my lovely strawberry bed. Hi, it looks lovely. And my courgettes. I have 2 courgettes over here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, look at that. Look at this flower. Okay, then I'll need to end this video because it's getting too long. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and see you next time. Bye.